Alright. Woo! Burping contest. Yeah. Your turn. Go. I'll chug it. So I need a big burp. I gotta have to pee. I can't do it. Yeah. Go. Burns. Burnt soda. What's that?
I know that wasn't Kristen.
I'm switching. Oh my god. You're gonna make me die. I'm switching too. Switching to great. I sound like a raspy old man burp though. Sound like a groove. I think you're losing. I don't even burp. The camera's gonna sound like I did it because I opened my mouth and you burped. Let's do that. Cover your mouth and then burp really loud as soon as I open my mouth. So watch me. Tell me when you're ready. Yeah. Oh my god. That was me, Eddie.
That was you?
Yeah.
Wow. Not the biggest I ever heard out of you.
I know.
Jeez.
I can't do it because I'm laughing. That was me.
Oh,
I like how we have 3 different sodas trying to
I
do it.
hate trying to drink Monster and burping because it doesn't go down all the way, like the foam.
Yeah. That was me. Woo! It's gonna smell over here. Yeah. Good one.
They keep going like the little Watch after the camera turns off, it's gonna be like burp 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 for me.
Always like that.
Do you have milk? Well, I don't want to drink milk because
No,
I get lactose intolerant. No. But if I chug like a lot of milk, I burp a lot.
I'm getting better. We both burp. Your burp over countered mine. You can't even hear that one. Oh. That's disgusting.